And now for the award for MAC Best Makeup and Hair. These wonderfully versatile artists transform the cast with looks ranging from high glamour to harsh realism.
And the nominees this evening are...
Sharon Doyle, Eileen Buggy, Ripper Street. Morna Ferguson, Dee Corcoran, Loving Miss Hatto. Lynn Johnson, Eileen Buggy, Shadow Dancer. Tom McInerney, Dee Corcoran, Titanic, Blood and Steel.
And the IFTA this evening goes to Sharon Doyle and Eileen Buggy for Ripper Street. Woo!
Oh my God. Sharon, thanks a million. Thanks to Stephen Smallwood, Ed Guiney and Andrew Lowe, wherever you are. Thanks a million. Koch Collins for always giving us the work. Our wonderful team, hair and makeup team, Anna, Maureen, Lorraine.
Aisling, Claire, Chloe, Anne Lorraine and Waldo Mason.
We just couldn't have done it without you guys. Thanks a million, and thanks to my wonderful Alan and all my family.
And Cathal.
Thanks so much.